A new state audit report is highlighting several financial challenges within the Nebraska Department of Correctional Services and is looking to hold the department accountable. According to the Nebraska State Auditor, those issues range from excessive medical costs to millions of dollars in overtime pay. We spoke with the state auditor, Mike Foley, today to break down those findings. And 10/11's Samantha Burton joins us live from the newsroom with the details.
Madison, according to that audit, in 2023, NDCS had an incarceration population of nearly 5,800 people. And Auditor Mike Foley says there are several ways the department could cut costs for both inmates and the state. In this 53-page audit report, State Auditor Mike Foley says there are several issues that need to be addressed within the Nebraska Department of Correctional Services. But one sticks out the most: inmate medical costs.
When you incarcerate a person for committing very serious criminal acts, they bring with them into the prison system all of their issues, mental health issues, substance abuse issues, all kinds of physical ailments. The state then is responsible for their health care.
Foley says NDCS spends about $70 million a year to provide medical services to nearly 5,800 inmates. But his team found more than $3.5 million of that could have been avoided.
These inmates qualify for the Medicaid program. And if we can get them signed up as they come in the door, if we can get them signed up on Medicaid, several $million net medical costs could be pushed down to the federal government.
The audit report also highlights challenges with inmate trust funds and debit card usage, staff overtime, and more. When it comes to staff overtime, Foley says it has caused the NDCS payroll to skyrocket, going up almost $58 million in 2 years, straining the department's budget.
We've got prison guards making $200,000 a year. That's more than some of the dentists and some of the doctors working at that agency. So they're doing this because they're working excessive numbers of overtime.
According to the report, NDCS paid $22 million for employee overtime in 2023, with more than 250 department personnel logging 500 or more hours. Foley says his recommendation to NDCS to bring down those costs is to continue hiring additional staff, which he noted has been a challenge for the department for several years. But there's also issues when it comes to handling inmates' money, particularly those on work release assignments.
The top 25 inmates who do this earn between $37,000 and $55,000 in a year. And the department is not doing a good job of tracking those dollars and assign them to each one of those inmates, putting it in their trust fund. Some of these inmates are being shorted thousands of dollars that they legitimately earned.
We did receive a statement from NDCS Director Rob Jeffries in response to the audit. He says in part, quote, "We take recommendations from this comprehensive audit report seriously. During the audit period, the agency was in the process of implementing many of these changes, and we will continue to evaluate and alter processes to enhance efficiencies." You can read more about the audit and NDCS's response on our website. Reporting in the newsroom, Samantha Burnt, 10/11 News.